Hello YouTube, Captain Darren here in 4 VFR in Jacksonville, Florida. Today I'm going to show you my antenna setup for my 2-meter 440. Stay tuned. In my previous videos I showed you my 05 HOA 27-foot antenna. Coming around to the left, I'm going to show you my setup for my 2-meter and 440. Alright, so this is a pipe from the DirecTV satellite dish. So we no longer have that service. I dug up the mast from a location over there near my 05. I dug it up and mounted it right here along the fence line, and I got it spray painted camouflage so it would be hard to see, blend in with the garden plants and flowers. So if you notice that there's some holes there, there's a hole near the top, and this pipe, I don't know the dimensions of it, I'm sorry, but whatever they came with the DirecTV, I don't know, it looks like about a 2-inch pipe maybe. Here's my thumb. Yeah, 1 3/4 or 2 inch. And so I got these holes here. I'm gonna put another pipe down in it and secure it with a hole in this direction, and 90 degrees I got another hole here and here, so that will prevent the pipe from twisting. All right, now what I did with this bottom hole, I'm gonna put a bolt all the way through, and I'm gonna rest the pipe down in it, down to the bottom bolt, and go ahead and screw down the 2 remaining bolts. That's about 4 feet high, and it's buried about 3 feet below the earth with cement. Let me show you the mast. Alright, this is what we got. We got 2-section pipe. I spray painted it flat black. It's a camouflage paint that I bought at Home Depot. I believe this is a top rail. I believe that's a top rail, like an 8-foot section. And that's going to be inside another pipe here. I bought these both at either Lowe's or Home Depot. If you notice that the patterns of the bolts, I got bolt here and a bolt here. They're on the same side. At 90 degrees, I have another bolt here, so it doesn't torque on you, twist on you. So it's overlapped maybe 2.5 feet. The pipe ends are right about here, overlap section. Now down at the bottom, again, the holes right here and a holes here, opposite 90 degrees, and that's going to be mounted inside the base pipe. Alright, check this out. Have you ever seen a Jpole? Check it out. Flat black Jpole. So I'm going to go ahead and mount that to the mast and connect the coax cable and install it today. again, when I stick the mast down the base so that it doesn't go all the way down to the bottom, it'll stop right there. And that's why I have that pole in position. I'm looking up so that there's a lot of tree branches up there. I gotta maneuver it to see if it clears the tree branches. Alright, I'm routing the coax cable. Yeah, don't do these at home. Doing this with your flip-flops. My homebrew mast. It's about 25 feet up. Yeah, you can't see the Jpole up there. It's blending in with the trees. Well, thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you like my content, please consider to subscribe, give me a like, and make a comment, something that I did, something I can make things better with my ham radio stuff. Thank you for watching. This is Captain Darren, and for VFR, signing off. Have a great day. Shaka.